your effort to stay healthy, we are going to play the game kahoot. We are going to start with the game. So we have invited a participant. There is one participant. So I'm going to start with it. Yes. So first question is, before starting an exercise, it is necessary to when is a person considered to be obese? Sampalana free time. So the next question is, which of the following foods is rich in iron? Very good. Which of the following fruits are rich in vitamin C? Well done. The best exercise to get rid of fat is? Very good. What is the best thing to drink to keep you hydrated? Of course, it has to be good. Which of these foods has low glycemic index? Very good. What will boost your energy? It has to be good. Lowering of blood sugar causes? Good. And there comes the last question. The food that contains highest amount of proteins is? Chicken. Very well played. Thank you so much for playing Kahoot with me.